How to add motion blur in DaVinci Resolve. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now this is actually going to be very easy, and I'm going to go ahead and begin by adding this one right here. This is going to be the clip that we are going to use, and then I'm just going to go ahead and click the video here on the inspector tab, and then we're going to go ahead and make this a little bit faster because as you can see this is actually pretty slow. So we're just going to go ahead and change the speed here, click the speed change, and then I'm just going to go ahead and type here the value of 600. So it's going to be 6 times much faster. All right, or maybe we can just go ahead and make it 10 times faster. Alright, I think that's going to be a lot better. Now, the thing that we are going to do is we're just going to go ahead and open the Fusion tab. Now that we are here in the Fusion tab, go ahead and click the search button, and then you can go ahead and look for optical flow. This one right here, you can just click it and then it should be added here. Another thing that we are going to add is this one here, Vector Motion Blur. Go ahead and click this one, and then as you can see right now, we are already starting to see some motion blur, but we can go ahead and click this one right here, this node, and then we can go ahead and increase this one even further. So let's just go ahead and max it out. There you go. And then we can go back here to our editing page, and I just rendered this for you guys in order for us to see it smoothly. I'm going to go ahead and play this. And that is how to add motion blur in DaVinci Resolve.